Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Blood and Venom player card reward from the Alpha versus Omega battle thing in Valorant. So basically just go to this website, make sure you played a minimum of 3 games doing what the challenge told you to do, and this will show up if you were on the Omega, if you're on Team Omega. Okay, basically select your name, go to my FTW profile, and you'll see your rewards here. Basically, select this one. This was like 2 weeks ago, but this one's the latest one. Copy the code. If you want to redeem it on Valorant, you're just going to press the Valorant point area. And then you're just going to scroll to the very last tab here. It says prepaid cards and codes, and you're just going to paste the code, submit, and code redeemed, and you'll probably find it in your collection. So let's change that. And this is what it looks like. Super cool. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.